How to find link in bio on Instagram. Nowadays, many users have link on their Instagram profile, and while posting a video, they mostly say click the link in my bio. Here's how you can find the link in the bio. Now some users might not have links in their bio. In that case, nothing can be done. But if they do have a link in their bio, then you can spot it very easily. For example, this account has a link in their bio, and if you click on the link, it will redirect you to their website. Now people can put their website link, YouTube link, other social media platform link, or even their main IG account link. But the main point is, if you see anything blue in color in their bio, then that usually means a link. And if you click the link, then you will get redirected to their designated website or profile. That's all for today. Thank you.